Imagine a future where humans aren't just exploring space, but actually calling another planet home. For decades, scientists and engineers have been working towards making human colonization of Mars a reality. And now, with visionary entrepreneurs like Elon Musk leading the charge, the goal is to create a thriving city on Mars with a staggering population of 1 million people by 2050. That's right, just 27 years from now, Musk's ambitious plan aims to establish a permanent, self-sustaining human settlement on the red planet. But it's a daunting task. From harsh temperatures to toxic soil, Mars is a hostile environment that poses significant challenges to human survival. So, can we overcome these obstacles and turn Musk's vision into a reality? Let's explore the possibilities and challenges of colonizing Mars, and explore what it would take to make humanity a multiplanetary species. Mars is a rich destination for scientific discovery and a driver of technologies that will enable humans to travel and explore far from Earth. NASA is advancing many technologies to send astronauts to Mars as early as the 2030s. Here are 6 things NASA is working on right now to make future human missions to the red planet possible. MOXIE is helping NASA prepare for human exploration of Mars by demonstrating the technology to produce oxygen from the Martian atmosphere for burning fuel and breathing. Astronauts on a round-trip mission to Mars will not have the resupply missions to deliver fresh food. NASA is researching food systems to ensure quality, variety, and nutritional values for these long missions. Plant growth on the International Space Station is helping to inform in-space crop management as well. NASA is developing life support systems that can regenerate or recycle consumables such as food, air, and water and is testing them on the International Space Station. Like we use electricity to charge our devices on Earth, astronauts will need a reliable power supply to explore Mars. NASA is investigating options for power systems, including fission surface power. Spacesuits are like personal spaceships for astronauts, protecting them from harsh environments and providing all the air, water, biometric monitoring controls, and communications needed during excursions outside their spaceship or habitat. Human missions to Mars may use lasers to stay in touch with Earth. A laser communication system at Mars could send large amounts of real-time information and data, including high-definition images and video feeds. An astronaut's primary shelter on Mars could be a fixed habitat on the surface or a mobile habitat on wheels. In either form, the habitat must provide the same amenities as a home on Earth with the addition of a pressurized volume and robust water recycling system. Professor Sidham at the University of New South Wales believed that by 2050 we will have a human colony on Mars. Colonization implies some degree of self-sufficiency but not necessarily complete independence from Earth. Sidham compares Mars with a remote island where you'd still need to import things occasionally. According to Sidham, most of the equipment and tools will be sent from Earth. Mars would need to produce something for a long-term colony to be financially viable. Space tourism is one option, but Sidham pointed to mineral extraction as key to colonization success. For example, space mining on nearby asteroids for valuable materials such as platinum could create new space economies, thereby driving further investment and exploration. Though Mars is our most realistic option for extraterrestrial colonization, our red neighbor isn't exactly the most accommodating planet for humans. Mars' atmosphere is more than 95% carbon dioxide. It's really cold, with an average temperature of around -80 degrees Fahrenheit, -60 degrees Celsius. It takes spacecraft from Earth about 8.5 months to reach. And it's bombarded with harmful radiation. Martian simulations suggest that around 500 people is a suitable starting population for a multi-generational colony ship. But how humans would cope with spending the rest of their lives on a spaceship and how their offspring would handle being born into interstellar travel life raise questions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.